Hello everyone, my name is Saida. Welcome to the Textile Design with Photoshop. In this session, I will teach you a most common repeat in textile design, which is half drop repeat. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you like, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much and have a good one.
Before I start, I would like to introduce my Instagram page entitled Gilani Design. You can follow the page and see my design over there. And if you have any question regarding to each design and drawing process, ask me and send me a message. For half drop repeat, it would be better to edit our design vertically first. Let's begin with going to the menu and choosing filter, then from this menu select other and then offset. From the offset menu, keep the horizontal option 0 and move vertical lever until locating your design in a good position. The center of the page is almost the best position, and then press OK. Now, as you can see, the edge of your design have been cut as you use half drop repeat. So you need to start editing your design from the cut edge, and it completely depends on you as a designer to decide which part of elements that you want to keep, to delete, or to rotate. Make the best decision to keep the balance in your design and remove unnecessary parts. As you see, I'm trying to edit the leaves and flowers by using the brush and adding some missing parts with brush, then coloring them. And in some parts, I'm using from the flowers that I have in middle of my page to fix the cut edge of my design. Remember that if during editing any new layer added to existing layers because of multiple copy and paste, you should merge them together. So go to the layering menu bar and choose flatten image. Then select the whole page from the select option and all, and then copy because we need the copy for the next step. Then go deselect the page by Ctrl D or selection menu and deselect option. And now we need the exact um, we need to extend your design horizontally. So to do this, you need to specify the exact location of the center line of your design. So select the move tool from the toolbars and make sure that when you select these tools, the show transform control in the menu bar should be checked. These snaps show you the exact location of the page. Then by clicking and dragging on the ruler, you can create a guideline at the center of the page and select the whole page and copy it with going to the edit and copy, and again back to select menu and deselect that. Next, you should increase the size of the page. Therefore, go to the edit and select the canvas size. Then from the window pops up, change the scale to the percent, and change the width from 100% to 200. And make sure the change position selected from the left, not from the center. Press OK. And now go to the Edit and paste the design in your page and move it to the right down side of the page, and again paste another copy and move it to the right up side of the page. Be sure that all the pages snapped together and there is no any empty space the back of your design. Then you can uncheck the show transform control and remove the snaps around the page. Now, as you can see, I have a design with cut edge in the middle of the page. So this is again that we have to edit the center of the page like before to have a complete and perfect design. Now I'm trying to edit this part of design as fast as I can. Okay, when you're done, go to the menu bar and select image, then select canvas size option. In this window, and again change the scale to percent and change width from 100% to 50. And be careful this time, change the position into the center. Then press OK. And finally, we have 4 layers, which I prefer to merge them all together. And to merge from layer in menu bar, select the flatten image. And as you can see in the right and left of the page, still we don't have the repeat. To fix this, again go to the image, choose the canvas size and make the page 200% bigger in width from the corner left. Now select the whole design with a square marquee tool and copy and paste to the left down and make another copy and paste to the left up. Now we can see the half drop repeat is complete in the whole page. be sure the all page is merged completely together and there's no any background in your design. Again, merge all layers together and your design is ready to make a pattern with. So go to the menu bar, select all or Control A, and then select the edit and define pattern. Keep the name as a half drop bond and then deselect the page with Control D or deselect from the select menu. And one more step, you have to change the size of the page. Again, from the canvas size in edit in menu and make width and length bigger for 200%. Next, select the whole page and from edit menu and select fill option, and in fill window pops up. In options section, push the custom pattern button and choose the last square, which is our pattern. And in this way, your design will be repeated in page as a half drop repeat. I hope you enjoy watching this session. Please practice more and more until you feel comfortable making repeat. If you like this video, please subscribe channel to make sure you will be aware of our further videos. Thank you so much and have a good one.